So I've talked about the various uses for gems in a few past videos, these two specifically. Those include things like coins, lights, weapons, and a few other uses. I've also talked about people that are skilled in manipulating these gems. These gems are plentiful in certain areas, and when broken up into small enough chunks, they can be melted. With real life gems, this doesn't really work, but these are special fantasy ones, so just go with it. This is one of the ways that someone like this guy can make coins and weapons and such, putting these liquids into molds. But there's another aspect I'm introducing this time, which is that some of these liquid gems can become sentient. Okay, hear me out. Basically what that looks like is liquid gems that can talk and move and reason and such. It's not every batch, but it's one specifically altered for a certain purpose. And how are they altered this way? It's a secret. No, actually, it's a secret that only certain groups know in this world. Today we're going to go over several of the uses for this liquid. These are stored in several kinds of capsules. The size depends on how much liquid you need, obviously. Upon bringing it to your fancy house, you would put the capsule in a specific docking station, which opens the capsule into a maze of pipes and mechanisms throughout your house. The liquid, let's call this one Bartholomew, can go around pipes running along floors, ceilings, walls, etc. And he's able to manipulate things in the house. It basically works like hydraulics, so pistons and such. Some examples would be closing and opening doors and windows, moving arms around, and similar kinds of things. So, while Bartholomew was brought to someone's house, Gwendolyn is being taken to a fancy skyship like this one. Things required of Gwendolyn would be similar, but with a few obvious differences, like controlling turrets and opening bay doors and such. They're pretty much entirely liquid, except for that pair of eyes I drew before, that look like this. Another thing they are able to control are various mech suits that are specifically built for them. There are various kinds of these mechs, and some of these right here might not even be canon. Everything having to do with this sentient liquid is a secret, and if you mess with anything in the wrong way, trying to reverse engineer stuff, they will self-destruct, and then your expensive stuff will just be broken. Only people entrusted with these secrets can do these special repairs and modifications, so they kind of have the monopoly on that job. These liquids do have personalities, and they can function similar to droids in Star Wars in some ways, and that's just in the fact that they can talk and move and interact with things, but they aren't biological creatures. And there we go. I'm going to be changing up the format of these videos after this one. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.